If your DC solar system uses Tigo optimizers, they can also be integrated into the Sanctuary inverter. Install optimizer modules on each solar panel according to the manufacturer's specs. A Tigo access point should be placed near the first few panels in the string. The Tigo CCA must be installed, and the power supply must be wired into the Sanctuary's 12-volt DC rapid shutdown port. This port is on the control board of the inverter. The CCA can connect directly to the inverter's Ethernet port or alternatively to your local Wi-Fi router using a standard Ethernet cable. Just like with an RSS, pressing the shutdown button on either inverter sends a signal to the optimizers through the CCA to cut off PV output. Only one inverter needs to host this connection for the entire system, and pressing a shutdown button on any inverter will trigger this functionality. Be sure to enable the PV optimizer setting in the inverter menu during commissioning.